Akalain mo yun, we're getting married na.
That's true. After 3.5 years.
Yeah. Parang we met online, di ba? Dating app. I remember matching with you August 2020 in the sea of the dating app scene. Beautiful Samantha Lim, Chinese girl. Likes me daw. Medyo tahimik na parang makulit din. Parang gustong makinig sa akin. Ikaw ba? Ano bang impression sa akin?
I think you were madaldal already since then.
You can organize the chaos.
I think yun naman yung ine-enjoy natin eh. Di ba? I can help organize things in the interesting perspective. Would you remember ba kung paano kita in-ask to be my girlfriend?
You made a parang game for me then.
I feel very sentimental na ito yung sinabi ko mga promises ko sa'yo when I asked you to be my girlfriend.
Do you remember yung early days na nagsa-start tayo mag-date? Tapos pandemic, so we would do Netflix parties. And Opa didn't like you then. Yet.
Grabe talaga, very mahal na mahal ka talaga niya. Parang tinetest niya talaga ako na parang, if I really love you, I need to go through him. Pero tignan mo after, di ba? What do you think is our secret?
Siguro humor, like, we can laugh at each other or with each other.
I think yun yung pinaka-secret eh. But I think ito talaga yung secret sauce. Kasi, madali ka kasing patawanin eh. But I think 1 year in the relationship, alam ko, ikaw na talaga yan. And then may trip kayo to Japan. Tapos parang...
With sila Princess Diana dyan.
Yes, may trip sila. Ako naman parang, paano ako makakasama dyan? Kasi parang okay din mag-proposal doon, di ba? It's so memorable when I was able to ask the blessing from your parents. So, super supportive naman sila. Excited na nga sila eh, di ba? Especially your mom. Kausap ko lahat ng tao na dapat secret lang. Pero sabi ko, tara, we need to get a photographer. Dapat naka-kimono tayo. Dapat maganda, dapat naka-makeup si Sam. And then...
And it worked out.
It worked out, di ba?
Otherwise, hindi ako naka-makeup.
Yes. Pero sa loob-looban ko, kabado. From the time na hawak yung ring, tapos kung ano sasabihin kasi. Ano nararamdaman mo? Siyempre, surprise. Touched ba?
Touch.
I would remember na kumakain na tayo, medyo natitiri-eyed ka.
After?
Oo. Siyempre, medyo
Kailangan ko muna mag-process eh.
nandun pa yung photographer and everything eh. Pero, gulat ka?
Gulat din. But I also had a hunch.
Talaga?
Pero nagulat din at the same time.
Ready ka na doon?
I said yes.
I would remember very vividly when I asked you to be my girlfriend, I already knew that you were the one. Every milestone na nangyari sa buhay ko, I was always so sure that you are the one. I would remember talking to God na sabi nga niya na Sam is my gift for you. And true enough, nandyan ka pa rin and I've cherished you so much, Sam.
Thank you for accepting me and for loving me. I'm really glad na we met each other like during the pandemic. Who would have thought, diba? And I just wish us both a lifetime of happiness and love and respect. There will be lots of laughter during our marriage.